I'm at home, no friends around, work is not exciting enough, and chores are such a bore. Is that how you are feeling? Guys, coronavirus crisis is the present reality. It is not your future. It may not even be there a year from now. Forget about a year. It may not even be there 6 months from now. Which means you have 6 months to either sit and sulk, crib and complain, or plan and prepare. People who excel in life, they plan and prepare day after day, week after week, month after month, not only when they have an exam to prepare for, but even when they have none. So just wait and watch your actions. Think what you're doing. Are you sitting and sulking, cribbing and complaining, or are you gearing up to plan and prepare for the world beyond the crisis? Because the world shall rebound. So just think what you're doing.